Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create NGL link and put it in Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to create an NGL link and put it in your Facebook profile, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store and download NGL application. So after opening up your Play Store, in the top of your screen just tap on the search bar and then type in NGL. After typing in NGL, here you can find this application. Just tap on install and install your NGL application. After completing the installation process, now what you can do is just simply open up your NGL application. After opening up your NGL application, just tap on Get Started, which is on the bottom, and then tap on Instagram. Now to copy your Instagram username, what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, just tap on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just simply copy your account's username. So here you can find the account's username below your profile. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now you can copy your username by tapping and holding on to your username and then tap on copy. And after doing that, you have successfully copied your username. So now you have to paste your username over here and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, just tap on choose photo. So this is an optional option, so if you want to add a photo you can do that, but I would like to skip this option, so just tap on skip, which is on the top right. And after doing that, here you can copy your username, so just tap on copy link and then tap on OK. After doing that, now you have to open up your Facebook. And after opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the profile icon, which is on the top right. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on your profile, and inside your profile here you can find this option, which is edit profile. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, just scroll all the way down, and here you can find this option, which is links. So beside that option you will find a add option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on add website and then enter the link that you have copied. And after entering your link, now what you can do is just simply tap on save. And after tapping on save, you have successfully added your NGL link and put it in Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to create NGL link and put it in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.